I got my glitter on. Wondering how to make a celebration extraordinary for everyone? I'm gonna show you guys how to make an amazing celebration drink that is absolutely glamorous. Yes, honey, I said get your glamour on. Today, we're gonna be making something that I'm so excited for, that I love. Cotton candy toppers that can go with any drink. I'm using sparkling cider, but you can also use champagne or apple cider. Everything is better with glitter, don't you think?
Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again?
Welcome to Cheeky Sassy Me. I'm so excited for you to see what we have for you guys coming up this 2021. If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe for more of this. I got this new kitchen toy for my Secret Santa, and I'm so excited for you to see how we're going to be using it today. The things we need are a cotton candy machine, hard candy or flour sugar, some champagne glasses, metallic straws. Make sure to make a shot in there, buddy. Also, sparkling glitter that you can eat. Because I love glitter, but now it tastes bad. We have ones that taste good.
Yum.
Are you ready to get your glitter on? This 2021. Make it shine there, buddy. The first thing you're gonna do is pour in your sparkling cider to your glasses. Cheers! Okay. So, you guys, I'm so excited to begin. Let's start unveiling the bad boy. The cotton candy machine, my new toy, guys. So let's begin with our hard candy. Okay. And you're gonna be ready. It's spinning. This is difficult. The game is to keep spinning. Okay, now it's time to put it in our cups. This looks like a Christmas hat. This one looks like a straw head. The last thing we're going to do is top it off with our edible glitter. During these are so cute for anything, for a wedding shower, a baby shower, for anything, a bachelorette party. Ooh, imagine cotton candy, pink and blue for a baby shower. How adorable. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a happy new year. And for our bilingual people, Feliz Año Nuevo.